Hi there. I'm making a quick video because this is a frustrating problem that I couldn't find a video about how to fix this. I have a brand new home. This type of toilet bowl, toilet setup, and this type of toilet seat. And here's what happens. Wiggles like crazy. All right? Here's how to fix it. You go to Lowe's. You get one of these packages here, about $5. It has 3 sets in there. You get these rubber washers, all right? And, pardon me while I try to demonstrate this. Oh, that works out pretty good. You pop it up. You spin this. Take the nut off. Get a washer, or yeah, rubber washer. Put it way up there. Spin this on. Now that washer's got a slight conical shape on both ends, so it kind of goes in there. Take it, screw it down, and it will have to be tight because you're trying to pull that washer up in there. There's probably a better tool for the bolt that won't, because this is a nylon. You can see already it's doing its job. Get the other one. Now what was nice about the pack of 3 is I have 3 toilets in the house. Or it had 3 setups in it. Here's the next one. And you just, again, tighten it up, put it down, and look. You can see the hinge flex. You don't see the toilet really move at all. If you crank on it, you probably could, but it's not moving very far. So not bad in 2 minutes and 45 seconds for video, eh? Hope this works for you.